Jain student, today we are going to discuss the first chapter of business study, that is nature and purpose of a business. Before starting the chapter, let's first understand the history of trade and commerce in India. Commerce is an exchange of goods and services, kind or money. It is an activity of buying and selling goods and services on a large scale, require multifaceted logistic within across the country. Over a period of time, commerce has facilitated business to operate across politics, economic, technology, culture, society, and the legal system. It began when humans started trading in goods and service, and ancient civilization began developing for the century. The economic and the commercial progress of any country depend upon its physical environment. India's geographical conditions have been contribute to its dominance in trade and commerce. The Himalaya in the north separate India from China, Tibet on the east from the Myanmar by the Tenmizan Hill on the west of the from Afghanistan, Karakoram and Hindu Kush range, while Indian Ocean is placed in the south. A network of roads merging into the Silk Route helped India to establish a trade relation with adjoining neighbor empires of Asia and the world. Means the maritime route linked east and west by sea and were used to trade of spice known as spice routes. The India has the Himalaya in the north, bordered by water in South India, got connected with adjoining foreign countries through the network of route leading to the Silk Route. The progress of domestic international trade in Asian India developed due to the flow of wealth through these routes. Many trade centers in an industrial belt also started. The archaeological evidence have shown that trade and commerce was the base of the economy of ancient India. The trade was mainly carried by the water and land, and civilizations like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro had established commercial connection with the Mesopotamia and trade in the silver, copper, color, etc. Now, indigenous banking systems with the progress of economic life following development took place. That is, metal coin become common medium of exchange. Documents such as hoodies, chitti were used for buying and sellings, and hoodie become very popular. Hoodie involved contract which warranty payment of money. It indicate as a unconditional promise could be transferred from the valid negotiations and development of India's banking system. This played a special role. People began to deposit precious metal with the lending institution acting as a banker, and these banks set become the instrument of supplying money of the producing more goods. India's indigenous bank played a special role in the lending money, financial domestic trade. Agriculture domestications of animals also helped to generate surplus as saving for the investment. Next, rise of the intermediaries like commission agent, broker, distributor of wholesaler, retailers trade. They help in expanding trade and brought huge amount of silver bullion into the Asia, and large share was in India. Institution of Jagat Seth also played the important role in during the Mughal period and the days of East India Company. Emergence and the emergence of the credit transaction availability of loan enhanced commercial activities. Indigenous banking system benefited the manufacture, trade, and merchant with the additional capital fund of expansions and growth. Later on, commercial and industrial bank also provide both short-term and long-term loan to the traders. And last, transport, land and water transport was very popular during the ancient time. Land transport road assume a key role in the entire process of the growth. Northern rail route, roadway and route and stretch from Bengal to Texila. And water transport, maritime trade, another important way of global trade. Malabar coast was situated has long history of international trade. Paper known as the black gold was traded through this route. Like that, Calicut coat also so popular, it was visited by the Chinese ship to acquire initial item from the Middle East as well as paper, diamond, pearls, cotton from the India. Thank you.